Hello, madam. My name is Victor Ramon, Anak Abul, and my matrix number is 20DE20F100A. So, today I'm going to present to you about the procedure on how to carry out the practical work 5 for the subject of Computer Networking Fundamental, CNF, and the subject code is DEC 30023. Yeah, so let us proceed to the presentation. Right, so this is the lab sheet, practical work 5. I'm going to refer to this lab sheet. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to open the command prompt. So this one this side. The first procedure is to change the color. So I'm going to change it to white. Screen text black. Okay. Now I'm going to restart the command prompt. Alright, there we go. Now the color has been changed. Alright, for now we proceed to step 1. So this one, the task asks us to just type ipconfig on the command prompt. So here we go, ipconfig, enter. So now we have our data, which is the configuration. So right now we're going to focus only on IP version 4 address. For this laptop at the current moment, I'm connected to IP address 192.168.43.42. Right, so that's it for IP configuration. We will proceed to the next part. Now open a new command prompt. Type ipconfig/all. So now I'm going to type ipconfig/all. Enter. So here we can see that there's a lot of info, such as Windows IP configuration, Ethernet adapter, wireless LAN adapter, local area connection. The third one, wireless LAN adapter. So we're going to focus on this part, which is the IPv4 address again. So this is my IP address. Now we're going to proceed on the next one, which is pinging. Alright, now first task is to ping this IP address. So let's open the new command prompt. Now we are going to ping that IP address in 0.0.1. There we go. Now here we basically it is like pinging ourselves. Alright, actually no. Alright, now let us proceed to step B. Typing your IP address. So it was, let me check it again. My IP address was 43.42. Right, now we are going to ping ourselves 2.168.43.5. My bad. 168.43.42. Enter. Whoops. I repeat this number. My bad. 68.43.42. Okay, there we go. Now we are pinging also. So the verification is completed. Then now the critical work wants us to ping this IP address. Alright, so here we go. Ping 126.245.567.333. So this will be the result. Ping request could not find host IP address. Please check the name and try again. So here we can tell that this IP address is not available for our syllabus because we learn for class A until class C. So this over exceeding our range. So let us proceed to the next one. Open a new command prompt tab. Now we're going to ping 192.168.10.222. Right, now we get this. Alright, we get that response. Alright, now we're going to proceed to step 2i. So for this part, I think I've used step 2i. Alright, here we go. I have used the Google IP address, which is 8.8.8. So we check it here. Google IP address. Alright, so you can see on this one, the screen 8.8.8.8. Alright, now we're gonna ping 8.8.8. My bad. We're gonna open the command prompt and ping 8.8.8.8. Then now we wait. Now you can see there's the result. Alright, now we're going to discuss the differences between output of the ping command and give reason. Right, now we're going to proceed to step 3. Type netstat -e. Alright, netstat -e. So this is the netstat at the moment. We have one. Okay, let's just see on the first two number, 19 and 25. So now we're going to open something. Twitch TV. Right. Now the game is currently playing, so I can mute this. Let us put it on the highest quality, which will affect more to our net stat. Let's see. Alright, it's there. CMD, new command prompt. We have to do this fast. Net stat. This one is for step 3E, alright? Yeah, step 3E. Alright, you can see that we have received 41 and sent 36. So I think the number changes. Right now we're just gonna close this to prevent more data consuming. Alright, for step 4 we're going to focus on tracer T. Tracer. Alright, now I'm going to open the command prompt. Reset 127.0.0.1. So this is it. Press complete. And then E. So I'm going to trace my polytechnic name, polytechnic website, tracer T www.pmu.edu.my. Enter. So now we have to wait. Alright. While waiting, we can let me see. For step 4G, what did I do here? Step 4G. Right. Okay, here. I'm pinging the pmu.edu.my, and then okay. Now on step H, I have to ping. Trace someone else, which is I am not connected to anyone at the moment, so I cannot do. For example, this is my friend's IP address, so tracer T 192.168.42.45. That's my friend's IP address. As you can see, that's not it. Okay, there we go. And alright, we're gonna let it be at the background. So let us proceed with the previous one, which is tracer D www.pmu.edu.my. So it has been said that here the trace is complete. So this is it for tracer D part. Then this is for the H part. We're going to wait for this. And then now we're going to proceed to step 5 and let's look up CMD. Alright, what does the task want us to do? And let's look up 127.0.0.1. Alright, now and let's look up 127.0.0.1. There we go. So this is the name, server, unknown server, and localhost. Then now we're going to find polytechnic name, website name. Let's look up www.pmu.edu.my. Enter. So the server is unknown, and for non-authoritative answer, the name is pmu.edu.my, and then this is the IP address. And then now find the IP address of Kementerian Pendidikan Malaysia. Right, so this is the part. Okay. We're going to use that website CMD, and let's look up www.more.gov. Wait, what was it? .gov.my. Right, now press enter. So this is the name we get. I'm not sure what's the name for? Yes, MOE. Alright. Oh, my bad. Here we go. So we still have to wait for the pressing. It still didn't say anything, such as press copy. Alright, now we're going to proceed to exercise 2. Exercise 2, it says, if you know the IP address of a host computer which commanded will help you to obtain the computer name with corresponding IP address. Use that command and print out the output and circle the computer name. So I'm going to do the same. Right, here I'm using this IP address for the government website. Then I'm just gonna type ns lookup. Will refer to the IP address 1.9.2 and 0.23. 1.9.2 and 0.23. Right. So this is the name. So I'm going to circle this one letter. So yeah, I think that's it for this practical work 5 presentation. I hope doctor are having a great day, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.